Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Huntington Beach, California, home of Rocker Industries. Since 1954, Rocker has designed and manufactured the lightest, fastest, and least power-consuming solenoids and solenoid valves for the aerospace, defense, and commercial industries. If you have ever traveled by plane, you've likely done so with Rocker Industries product on board. In addition, Rocker's products have accompanied presidents, astronauts, and our troops, whether it be on a commercial aircraft, space shuttle, or Bradley fighting vehicle. Using the latest in engineering and manufacturing technology, Rocker Industry provides innovative solutions backed by decades of proven quality and reliability. A team of dedicated engineers offers full custom design and analysis on new products, or can take a customer's existing design to deliver precise production. Through Lean Six Sigma design and manufacturing practices, Rocker can provide rapid prototyping, utilizing in-house and machining and key supplier partnerships. In addition to Rocker Industries' extensive design capabilities, the facility includes the latest CNC milling and turning centers, cobot technology, and advanced assembly and testing equipment. Every product manufactured goes through a rigorous acceptance test procedure prior to leaving the facility. Rocker Industries takes great pride in continuous improvement and providing products to their customers at a competitive price. Rocker Industries is committed to manufacturing excellence and devoted to customer satisfaction, which is the hallmark of Rocker's culture. Rocker Industries is certified by ISO and AS9100. Come visit them at rockerindustries.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.